All right, so hi, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Safwan Labib.
Safwan Labib. So, the name of your madrasa?
Amirul Millat Kamil Madrasa.
Okay, what class are you reading?
I read in class 10.
Class 10. So, you are a student of Arman's English Club, right?
Right.
Okay, so you are doing spoken course, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you feel? Are you feeling good or bad?
Good.
Really good. Okay, so do you like the classes?
I like.
Do you like Arman's? Do you like the teachers?
I like.
Okay. Do you like the management?
Yes, I like.
You like the management, okay?
You are right.
Okay. So let's talk about about yourself a little bit, so that our audience can know about yourself. Already, you just mentioned few information, but we need a lot of information from you. Uh,
Okay. Hi there. This is Safwan Labib. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you in my presentation.